broken ribs or from your shame? I'm gonna go with shame.
Why does my face hurt? Oh God.
Are you okay?
So Nora, we're telling everyone about this.
I will kill you with a toothpick, you fat bastard.
No, you won't. You'll be
Come
laughing at it.
on. Oh, okay, okay. Slowly, there you go. Alrighty. Okay, Nora, I'm gonna have to suggest you just not ever again, okay?
No swing sets for you. No playground. They are dangerous places for Nora.
Turn the fucking camera off, you are. She climbs up on that thing and she lives. She gets on this, but she's supposed to climb more. And she fucks her shit. What the fuck, Nora?
What were you like? How were you on here to fall?
She was like swung over, talking to me.
Like maybe if you were like upside down here, which I could see doing.
Nora.
But then I figured you'd have the least strength to hold up there.
Upside down, yeah.
And on the side.
So Alex has gray hair now. Does anybody know where her hair is? Sister! Oh my God, Nora. Oh my God.
Boom.
Get in the car, Nora. Get in the car. Move from that spot. Stop yourself in. For God's sake, there's just any urge to climb. Oh my God, Nora. I'm already missing you guys. Stop being such assholes. No, it's so good. I just stayed with you for a very long time.
Really?
Yeah. I fed you. Yeah, so did my parents. That doesn't mean that I don't get mad at them. This is not the point, goddammit.